kid. And we couldn't be more proud of you. She's not a taker. Kayla earned her own money for a missions trip. She gave other kids that didn't have enough. And tonight, God is blessing you back. It's not the year you want, but I think you're going to like it.
Oh my gosh. No!
Oh, man.
Freaking way. Are you serious?
Oh, no.
No! Oh my gosh!
I was when I said that she wanted a whole one.
Oh my gosh!
That's so silly. I feel like we should clap or something.
I don't know.
Thank you so
Do
much.
something.
It's your graduation present.
This is your graduation.
So you better graduate.
Oh my
We were-
gosh!
We were really worried about you.
Yeah.
About you and Jess up there riding around in this.
Nope. Look at all that Trump
I
space.
didn't tell them at dinner, Jim. They're not listening.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, the old ones don't have.
Does anyone want to go for a ride?
Yep.
Oh, my God. Now you know
Only if
why
I can
didn't want you to
videotape
go
it.